In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from your Yahoo account. It's a straightforward process and we'll go through it step by step, ensuring that you can effortlessly transfer your contact list whenever needed. Let's dive in by accessing Yahoo Mail. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Yahoo Mail website. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're already signed in, that's terrific. Otherwise, just enter your username and password to get started. Once you're logged in, the main Yahoo Mail interface should be visible. Now direct your attention to the top right of the Yahoo Mail page. Here you'll find the contacts icon. It's typically represented by a small silhouette of a person. Give this icon a click. This action will lead you into the contacts section, where all those important addresses are stored. Upon entering the Contacts section, look for the Actions drop-down menu. This menu is strategically placed on the right side of your screen, designed to help you manage your contacts efficiently. Click on the Actions drop-down to see a list of available tasks. Our next move is to select the Export option from this menu. You'll see the option clearly labelled Export, making it easy to identify. Choose it and you'll be prompted with a choice of export formats. Depending on your needs, you might see options like exporting to a CSV file or maybe vCard. Select the format that suits you best. If you plan to import these contacts into another email service or a different contact management tool, ensure you choose the compatible format for that service. Once you've made your selection, it's time to export. Hit the export button and shortly thereafter, a file will commence downloading directly to your computer. This file will contain all the contacts you've accumulated in your Yahoo account. For easy access, the download usually saves the file to your default downloads folder unless otherwise specified. You can open it there to double check that your contacts have been transferred correctly. This file can now be used to import contacts to another email provider or back them up for safekeeping. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to bring your Yahoo contacts with you wherever your digital journey might lead. Whether you're switching email providers or just backing up your data, this quick process ensures you have access to your valuable contacts at all times. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and should you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Happy exporting, and see you in the next video.